Hello everybody. Before you sign off from this chapter, I think it's a good idea to do a few more exercises and probably a review. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So these questions will probably also appear in the chapter test that you would see at the end of the videos on the website. Okay, so let's have a look. So C7 going into F, so you can probably guess what I'm trying to ask, right? So this guy is a resolving chord. This guy, C7, going into C-7, non-resolving. Oh, I apologize for my poor penmanship. Okay, so again, C7 going into F is a resolving chord because the C7 goes up a fourth, the root goes up a fourth, and this guy, the root here, just stays. What is an octet chord? So you can do it with just shell on the left hand, say root 3 flat 7, you can omit a fifth, plus a bunch of tensions, right? Octet tension. So sharp 5 flat 5, sharp 9 flat 9, and also a sharp 11. Okay, so why octet chord? Okay, you have 2 points, you have 2 reasons. Increase, I'm just going to do it with an arrow. Urge to resolve to the 1 chord. So dominant 7 chords are supposed to be dissonant, so by adding these octet tensions, you're increasing the tension, okay? So that would increase the urge to resolve to the 1 chord, okay? So in the test, probably I also want you to pretend what I just said. These octet tensions would increase the tension in a dominant 7 chord, and the dominant 7 chord is supposed to sound dissonant, okay? And the dissonance would encourage the urge to resolve to the 1 chord. And the second reason is because of a special situation called Lydian Dominant. So it is part of the sound. Okay, so you would use sharp 11 for that situation. Okay, so it's still a dominant chord, but you will add sharp 11 instead. Okay, so let's resolve A7 flat 9. So A7 flat 9, you have A, C sharp, G, and then flat 9 is a B flat. Okay, that should go to a D minor. So D, F, C, and then this would resolve to the A of D minor. So the fifth of 1. Okay. A7 sharp 9. So for sharp 9 chord, usually, I'm going to write it here again, sharp 9, you would go to A7 and flat 9 first, and then from flat 9 you would go to D minor 7. Okay, so A7, sharp 9, oops, sorry, A7, so A, C sharp, G, sharp 9, that's a, what's that, B sharp, going into a B flat, and then you have the same shell, obviously, and you have just D, F, C, and then A, so that's your D minor chord. Okay, let's resolve A7 sharp 5, A7 sharp 5. Okay, so A7 sharp 5, let's see, A, C sharp, G, and 5Z sharp. Okay, and you would go to D minor, so D, F, C, and you would resolve that to the 9th of 1. So this is actually a D minor 9th chord. Okay. A7 sharp 9, sharp 5. So first step, you go to A7 sharp 5, you keep a sharp 5, you go to flat 9 first. And you should go to a D minor 7, or it should be D minor 9th. Okay, we'll see. So A, C sharp, E, and then sharp 5, E sharp. Sorry, A, C, G here. So flat 7, okay. And then E sharp, B sharp, going into A, C sharp, G, you keep the E sharp, and then B sharp would become a B flat, and then you resolve these 2 tensions, so D, F, C. E would become, E sharp would become an E, Okay, so ninth of 1. B flat would go to A, so fifth of 1. So D minor 9 is correct. Okay. So finally, we have this chord progression here. We have 2 dominant 7 chords, so C7 here is resolving. This one, non-resolving. For non-resolving chords, we can we can determine safely that it is actually a Lydian dominant situation. For now, we don't have to know about scale, but there are 3 important tones. So major third, flat 7, and then the sharp 11. On charts, usually the tension is not shown. Okay, so you just have to mentally add that to the chord. And when you see basically a sharp 11, you should be able to immediately tell that it's a Lydian dominant chord. Okay, a Lydian dominant sound. Okay, I think that's it. Congratulations again, and have fun with the test. I will see you in the next part.